everybody. I am in North Carolina, as you can see, and I'm back. I was here actually like 2 weeks ago, I feel like, not that long ago, because I was checking in on my house. And what else was I here for? Oh yeah, Lucas's graduation. Here for Lucas's graduation, and then this week I came back because I thought my house would be done, but it's not done. There are still a little bit of delays with it. We still have to have the front door come in. I think that should come in this week.
It's exactly 1 more week. It'll be done.
Okay.
It needs to be done by the time we leave for Mexico.
Okay, so it'll be done in exactly 1 week. So the front door still has to come in, and then the doors of like the cabinets need to come in, like the front paneling of the cabinets, and shower glass. I think that's it. And then just needs to be cleaned.
Just touch-ups.
Yeah, little touch-ups, but it looks so good, so I cannot wait to show you guys in this video. Today I'm filming a little day in the life. It's a Monday morning, so I am working. Keon is actually here. I go back to Florida today, so today's kind of a busy day. I have actually in 5 minutes a call because I have a call with someone who potentially will help me with some social media stuff, which I'm really excited about. And then I have a lot of stuff to do for Rella today, and then that's pretty much it. Anyways, I'll be back here then first week of July because I'm going to Mexico, and then I'll be back, put the house on the market, and hopefully it will sell in like a day, because I know that the market here is kind of crazy right now and houses are being sold so quickly. People are putting in like 50K over the asking price. Like, it's very, very, very hot market right now. There's way more demand than there is supply of houses. I feel like people are just like desperate for houses. And also my house, if I do say so myself, is like the nicest one in the neighborhood. There are a ton of other houses that have been renovated, but no offense, I just think mine looks so much better. So I'm hoping that it sells pretty quickly. Hopefully when I come back in the beginning of July, after I come back from Mexico, I can do an updated video for you, and it will be the official like selling of the house. Hi.
Yo, sorry, I'm in the car.
You're good. 1 second. So I'm writing down, okay, Jace. I'm just gonna start taking down like minutes for the notes for the meetings. So I'll go over my goals of the week. You guys, I think everyone should just go over their individual ones, and then we can like hold ourselves accountable by the end of the week, kind of doing the wrap up and seeing where we're at. Finally getting a workout in. I did not work out at all last week because I actually was feeling a little bit sick. So I don't know if I'm getting over a sinus infection or just a cold, but I was super congested. Like, I just was really, really, really congested. So I just wanted to take it easy. Whenever I'm sick, I'm such a big baby, I do not work out, and I just am okay with that. I don't ever feel guilty about it because I know that I will recover quicker if I just rest and take that rest that I need. So right now I'm working out in the little garage gym, and this workout size from Target. It's super cute. I just got it like last week, so they definitely still have it, and it fits so well, and it's so much cheaper than like a Lululemon, or I'll have it linked down below. I think the whole set together is like 50 bucks, which is great. But today I'm gonna be doing legs because at my apartment gym I do not have a squat rack, and that is definitely something that I miss. So I'm gonna be doing the squat rack and using it, I guess I should say, today for today's workout. But it's pretty humid and hot outside, so I'm gonna get sweaty, and it's gonna feel so good because I haven't worked out in so long. Whew, I'm so hot and sweaty. That was a good workout. I burned 300 calories. Pretty good. Just did legs. Literally so tired. I also am wearing a new natural deodorant. So I got a new one. It's called Wild, and it's right here actually. It comes in this cute little case, has my name in the back. It's sustainable because this is like a refillable case, so you just put like the new inserts into it, but like the packaging stays the same, which is really cool. And it smells really good, but natural deodorants I'm always hesitant about because I used to use Kopari and I had ran out, and so I started using that one. And I loved Kopari also, but I've tried other ones, just didn't like them. So I made Keon sniff me. Do a little taste test, or not taste test. A smell test, not taste test. And he says I smell fine. So, you know, I think that's pretty good. The natural deodorant really works. Like, not to be gross, but like I still smell really good. And I'm so sweaty, so.
Really good?
I think I smell really good. Like, I smell the deodorant. It smells like a cologne, kind of. But yeah, so. It works. Highly recommend. I am doing some work sitting here while the baby is sleeping. He is so cute. Anyways, right now I just got off the call with my designer for Rella. So she is designing the app interface. She's so freaking good. And we're actually about to get on a call with some influencers. So we have one influencer call today. We're getting on a call with a few micro influencers, talking face to face via Zoom, because we did send out a ton of surveys, but we really want to actually speak to them and like hear them out and let them tell their story rather than just answering these survey questions. So I actually scheduled some time, blocked some time off this week to meet up with influencers. But if you are a micro influencer and you've dabbled in a few brand deals, or you started talking to brands but like you don't have management, please reach out to me, DM me, sign up for Ella, because I would love to just pick your brain. And if that's something that you want to help me out with, I would really appreciate it. So please DM me. My DMs are open, I will read it. And you can also sign up for Rella as well. But we're gonna sit down with her, pick her brain, do a quick little 15-minute call. And Natasha wrote down a few survey questions to ask, but I'm gonna add a few more on there just to make sure that we get the right questions asked. And also, this video is sponsored by Squarespace. So thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's video. The Rella Social website is on Squarespace. It's made on Squarespace, and it's a really easy way to get email lists, to get signups. So if you don't know, Squarespace is an online website builder, and it is such an easy way to build a website, especially for us. We are a startup, and we just needed a way to put something out there on the internet for someone to see what Rella is, what we're trying to be, and also to gather emails. Creating emails is one of the biggest things, or gathering emails is one of the biggest things that we can do right now, and kind of getting that wait list and having a way to communicate with people. So we built an email list on Squarespace. We're actually going to start using Squarespace's email campaigns, which is really exciting. They have analytics, so I can actually see where people are coming from. As a founder of a startup, it is incredibly helpful, but you can use it for other things too. You know, you can have an online portfolio, you can have an online store, you can have a blog. I use it for WeBloom. Like, it's a great way to build a website. So it's also the easiest way. They have some beautiful themes that you can choose from. Everything is integrated onto Squarespace, which makes it 20 times easier. So if you guys want 10% off your first purchase on Squarespace, you guys can use my code Natalie Barbu, or check it out at squarespace.com/Natalie Barbu. But if you're an influencer, please sign up on there. You can check out the website while you're at it, but that would just be incredibly helpful. So I just have the Google Doc. It's actually Google form sheet, and I am just gonna go through and add a few questions, and then we're just gonna sit down and have a chat. I'm really excited. Our first chat today is with Christine. So super excited about that. Excited to talk to you, Christine, on my second cup of coffee. I'm just trying to knock some work out before we gotta go. House update. Here she is. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, just like picture what it was before and now look at this. Like, that is insane. We got this new railing over here, which looks so good. It's so modern. I just picture like a nice family setting up a chair there, having some coffee in the morning. It's just so cute. Yeah, you know, just picture a morning coffee right here. That's what I picture. So we still need the front door to come in. It'll take 1 week exactly to come in, so this is changing. But you walk in, and this is what it looks like. So last time I filmed, the kitchen was like framed and stuff, but like nothing else was there. So we have the two chandeliers, which is so pretty. So we have the chandelier which is really pretty, and then the wooden beam. It's a very like light wood, and we have matching symmetrical chandeliers, which I think looks really, really nice. The windows look so good. I love like the trim, how they're black on the inside. I think it looks so good. The lights in the kitchen island are really nice, and then the countertop finally came in, which is gorgeous. How pretty is this countertop? I feel like I haven't actually had a chance to look at it, like really examine it. I think it looks so good. It's super dusty, but it looks so good. And then Keon wants to show the sink. Normal sink. Oh. What is that for again? To clean your dishes?
I think so.
I think it's like to really get your dishes clean, which is funny. And then there's not only that, but one of those, pretty normal, standard. Yeah, pretty cool. I love the gold hardware. I think it looks so good. This is actually going to be a wine rack, so you'll be able to store your wine up here, which I think is gorgeous. And I love how like when you're here, like you can be cooking and like it's all the nice greenery in the back. Like I think it looks so pretty, especially when you walk in. And the backsplash is also in, which just looks so good. I love the backsplash. I think it's so pretty. It's very clean. We wanted a very clean, minimal look so that no matter what your style is, no matter what your taste is, like I feel like this kind of suits everyone. And you know, some open shelving, which is really in, but I love it. I just love the way the kitchen looks. I think it looks so good. And then, if you guys saw the last vlog, you know the tile issue. We got the wrong tile in here, so they had to take it off and put this new tile, which I just think looks so good.
The tile's a little bit gray, you know, because this is not the tile that I have the sample of.
That was a mistake.
Yeah.
This this is gray and that's creamy.
There's something we can do. I know.
You ordered the wrong tile?
It doesn't look good.
It looks so much better. Very nice and clean. And then the gold hardware and the backsplash that goes all the way up to the ceiling, which I love. I really can't stand when the backsplash like stops and then it's the wall. Like I like how it goes all the way up. I think it makes it look so much better and so much more luxurious. And what's cool, which I like about the shower, is that you turn it on over here, but you're not like getting splashed. So you can turn it on and you're still not gonna get splashed because the water is coming from there. It's the little things, guys. Window, it's the little things that I care about. Very modern tub. And then same countertop as the kitchen. And then over here, master bedroom looks so good. I love this light. I think it's so pretty. And then the wooden beam is still up there, but it's that huge window that you get. And then here is the bathroom. This is actually going to be like a towel and like a shelving. So it'll have like shelving so you can put towels and everything like that, or whatever else you want. I love the shower. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? And I love how big that is. Like I just think everything looks so good in here. And again, the window with the greenery in the back, huge, huge closet. Like this just looks so amazing. I'm obsessed with that light fixture. I think it looks so good. Let's go downstairs. My camera's dying, so we're on the race. And I have to go to the airport, so. The second I said that, my camera died. So here we are downstairs. You enter downstairs and you have the original fireplace, and we actually painted it, which I think is so beautiful how we still have that original fireplace. We're actually gonna stain that door. And look at this room, it's huge. Literally huge, wow. Look at this. There's an additional closet. This bathroom, oh, I'm obsessed. Look at that pendant. How gorgeous is that? How gorgeous. This is my favorite bathroom besides the master, because look at the floor. The floor in the bathroom is the same as in the shower, which I think is just so cute and fun. And it's this like fun terrazzo floor, which I love. The gold hardware, of course. And again, I like that feature that you don't get splashed. But how fun is this backsplash? It is so nice. I am obsessed with this one. This is literally my favorite tile. We have the little light up there. Also, it's like sunset right now almost. It's like 7 o'clock and it's still so light in here. You got a huge laundry room, dedicated laundry room, which a lot of houses don't have, I feel like. And here's the other room with another funky light fixture. This one is so light. The natural light is amazing. Like here I am taking a selfie, and the natural light is so good in this room. Like I'm just picturing myself like filming videos in here, or I'm picturing whoever moves in here filming videos, and like can't go wrong with the natural light. Like look at this. And the doors are painted black, which we love. Makes the house look so luxurious, feel so luxurious. I'm so jealous of whoever gets to move into this house. Like what? This is so nice. But yeah, what do you think of the house?
I like it.
Ooh, it's so nice.
Yeah, the windows are great. The finishes are great.
Nice, this room is huge. Look at Keon for reference. I'm standing in the back corner. Here's wide lens. I know, for a basement and you can't even touch the ceiling. That's pretty good. So, I am obsessed. The next time you will see this house will probably be in the final tour when everything is in and the house is done and I get a videographer to come in and do the whole before and after. If you do want to watch the before video in the house tour, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can really see how much has changed, because I feel like you don't notice how much it's changed until you see it. Like this is a 100% new house. The only thing that's the same is like the exterior walls. I feel like everything is so different in here. Like I can't believe that you used to walk in, like there was a hallway over there and like the bedrooms, like it's just crazy. It's a completely different house. So let me know what your favorite part of the house is. I would say my favorite touches are the tile floor downstairs in that one funky bathroom, and then I think just like the light fixtures are my favorite part. But yeah. All right, now we have to go to the airport because we're gonna be late and Keon's probably freaking out. I'm always like last minute, get there 45 minutes before the flight, but we gotta go.